have here is a 14-inch CRT monitor from a Cincinnati Milacron 850 control. It's also similar to the 950 control as well, but the 950 has a touchscreen. What we're going to do here is replace it with an LCD monitor. We've already removed the electronics out of the monitor just to make it quick. When you're removing the electronics, as long as it's been unplugged for 10 minutes, you won't get any shocks from anything to do with the CRT. So all we're going to do is simply remove the 4 screws from the CRT. Get rid of the old CRT. Grab the new LCD monitor. And it also comes with a polycarb curved piece, so you can put it in front to match up with where your CRT used to be. And we have that on the back. You see the electronics are removed. This is your AC power pack, 110, 220, doesn't matter. Automatic. Plugs into the bottom. Comes with exactly the same connector that's used on the Cincinnati Milacron machine. You can use the one on the machine itself, or you can use the ones that comes with it. Either way. And you plug into the bottom. And that's how you replace the CRT and do an LCD upgrade for the Cincinnati Milacron 850 and 950. And the LCD's 1-year warranty, and usually they have them in stock. Okay, thanks.